Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get 4K quality on CapCut. So if you want to export the footage in the 4K quality, then this video is absolutely for you. So in the by default, what we do is when we want to export the video, we will just simply edit the complete video. So after completely editing the video, we will just go to the above top right corner of export setting and simply import the footage. But it is not the best way to export the footage to the 4K quality. So when we want to export the footage the 4K quality, you guys have to just simply edit the video, and I'll recommend you to use a single effect, which is the this effect section. And in this effect section, you guys can search for Smart Sharpen. So I have searched the effect. You guys have to just simply click on this download button to download this effect and simply drag this to the main clip of your video. So after dragging this effect to the main clip of the video, you guys have to simply make all the adjustments to the zero and except the last sharpen effect, and you guys have to simply make the value between 5 to 10. So you guys can see I have made it to 5, and it will also affect the quality of your video. And after completely editing and adding this smart sharpen effect, you guys have to simply go to the export section of your CapCut. You guys have to just simply adjust the resolution. So here is the resolution. You guys have to simply uh, click on this to drop down menu, and here you have to simply select the 4K. So after selecting that, you guys have to simply go to the bitrate and you have to simply select the customize, and you have to simply put the value of 85,000. Here you have to simply select the CBR and make the value to 85,000. So after making it, you guys have to simply go to frame rate, and here you have to simply select the 60 fps, and make sure to resolution to 4K and bitrate to custom, and make the static bitrate and make it 50,000, and change the codec to HEVC. It is efficient, and simply export the video, and in this way you guys can export the video in 4K footage. I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.